Hello, today I will be showing you, or those of you who don't know how to join it, I'll be showing you how to join the Nuclear Bomb Clan Discord. I am also revamping the group. I got it back after transferring ownership. I got it back. They were just a temporary owner. So, yeah, I'll be showing you how to join the Discord server. So, let's begin. So, first, what you want to do is you want to go over to our YouTube channel. You have to go down to About. Once this video is uploaded, you will also be able to go to the description and just click the link. So, anyways, once you're at About page, you have to go down to links. There will be two links. The link to the Roblox group, which is this, and the link to the Discord. You want to click on the Discord, or you can click and drag it up to the top, up here. Let go of it. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, you will be given. Sorry for this taking so long. My computer's not that good. You will be given this. You will click accept invite. You can check that and click open Discord. Discord will open. Or you can just click continue Discord. Then you will be in the group. You will then be in here. Oops. Yeah, that's how you get into the Discord server. Discord server is actually new. I just made it today as of making this video. So, yeah, that's how you can get to the Discord server. As I said, we are undergoing revamping, so I will be changing a lot of stuff. We already actually have a new rank, trained bombers. That probably will change. I don't know. We have trainees, trained bombers, which is the new rank. We have trainers, and we have bomb master, which is me. Yeah. So that is how you get into the Discord server. Again, the link will all be in the description. Subscribe, because I might make more videos on how to get to our social links and stuff like that. So yeah. Bye.